is free again. Yep, you heard that right. And no, this isn't one of those fake videos. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight into it. First, open your browser and search for Kie AI, then open this website. Now, this is not one of those normal AI sites where you just paste a prompt and generate videos instantly. This works a little differently, but trust me, it's very easy to use. Just watch carefully and follow the steps. Once you are on the site, go ahead and sign up. After signing in, you'll see this dashboard here. Now, let me quickly explain how this works. As you can see, you get 80 free credits, and the best part is these credits do not expire. And don't worry, 80 credits is actually enough to generate a lot of videos. Just keep watching and I'll explain everything clearly. Now, to use Grok, go back here and search for Grok. Okay, this is the one. Just click on it. Here you can see the credit cost. For 480p videos, it costs 1.6 credits per second. And for 720p videos, it costs 3 credits per second. So basically, if you choose 480p, you can generate around 10 videos of 5 seconds, or around 5 videos of 10 seconds. And if you choose 720p, you can generate around 5 videos of 5 seconds, or around 2 videos of 10 seconds. Now let me quickly show you how to generate a video. I'll show you by generating an image to video. First, click on Remove All to delete the preloaded image. Now, upload your image here. You can even upload multiple images if you want. You can ignore this task ID and index section. Now, paste your prompt here. This is just a simple superhero transformation prompt. Next, I'll choose the aspect ratio to 16:9. Now, this next part is very important, so don't skip this. Here, you can choose the video duration. But remember, if you increase the duration, it will use more credits. I only need a 6-second video, so I'll keep it at 6 seconds. Next, you can choose the resolution. Again, 720p will use more credits. So I'll choose 480p, because honestly, it is enough for a good quality video. And finally, click on Run. Now the video will start generating. This can take a little time depending on the server. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
They thought I was ordinary until I unlocked the power within. Now I become unstoppable.
Oh man, the video looks really amazing. And that's how you can use AI for free right now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.